Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Windows operating system. We can do these operations by opening services console or by using command prompt. First method, open services. Windows run, then services.msc. Or Windows, then search for services application. Then click on the services. Scroll down to MySQL. See, service name is MySQL 80 and its status is running. If you want to stop this one, right click and click on stop. If you want to restart, then click on restart. In the same way, select the service. Notice here, these three options can be performed on this service. If you want to stop, click on stop. If you want to pause, click on pause. If you want to restart, click on restart. And one more option is, see, these three buttons also. First one is for to stop the service, and second one is to pause the service, and third one is to restart the MySQL service. First I am going to stop the service. Right click and select the stop. See, now status is showing nothing. Also select the service and see here that restart and pause options gone. Here also this pause and restart options gone because service is not started. Again, if you want to start service, right click and select start. See, it is starting the service on local computer. Service name is MySQL 80. See, status has been changed. If you want to restart the service, right click and click on restart. What this will do? This will stop the MySQL service and automatically starts the MySQL service. See here. See, service is restarted. If you want to get more information, right click and click on properties or double click on this one. See, service name is MySQL 80 and display name is also MySQL 80. From here also we can stop, pause. If you want to change the startup type, we can change this. If you want to stop this one. This is the MySQL path. Okay. Now next method is by using command prompt. Open command prompt as administrator. Start command prompt, search for command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. To stop or start MySQL from command prompt by using net command. From command prompt, use the command net stop MySQL 80. We must have to given the service name as mentioned in the services. See, here service name is MySQL 8. Then press enter. See, it is stopping MySQL service. We have successfully stopped MySQL 80 service. If you want to start it, use the same command net start MySQL 8. See, it is saying MySQL service is starting. We have successfully stopped and started the MySQL service through command prompt. One more way to only shut down MySQL service is by using MySQL admin tool. Navigate to MySQL admin tool. cd program files, then cd MySQL Server 80. MySQL Server 8.0. Let's verify the files. Then cd bin. Let's verify the list of the files. See, MySQL admin is there. This is the tool to shut down MySQL server. See, notice here MySQL 80 is running. If I press enter, then the running status has to be gone. It's still there. Then just refresh it by pressing F5. See, that status has been gone. We cannot start MySQL server by using this MySQL admin. Either we have to use net start and MySQL service name, or right click and click on start. See, MySQL service has been started successfully, but its status is showing starting. Press F5 to refresh or click on this refresh button. See, MySQL service is started. So in this video we have seen how to stop, start, restart MySQL service on Windows operating systems. Next method to stop and start MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench. Open MySQL Workbench. Then click on the MySQL instance and provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Check the server status by clicking on server status. See, its server status is running. If you want to stop, then click on this startup or shutdown. See, here database server instance is running. If you want to stop, then click on the stop server button. See, server has been stopped. Again, if you want to start MySQL server, then click on start server. Then provide the password for root user. See, the database server instance is running. For more MySQL videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.